Are you tired of all the toxins in your candles? Let's make this camp out candle so you can keep bugs at bay while enjoying outside. With this natural recipe, you'll go from avoiding candles at all costs to helping use them to keep bugs away. Hi, I'm Summer Whitneyman, certified aromatherapist who loves teaching you how to use your essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing and get ready to get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. You'll need your Simply Earth monthly recipe box, sticker sheet, your ingredients, and you'll need a 1 ounce jar from home. All right, so to get started, let's open up our DIY candle kit. Let's pull out your wick sticker and your wick. You'll stick one side of the sticker to the bottom of your wick, and the other side will be stuck to the center of your jar. All right, next you're gonna take your opened bag, your DIY candle kit in a bag, and you are going to microwave it for 2 minutes. Careful, because your bag will be hot, but you can check inside and see that all of your wax has melted. Now you can add your essential oils. I'm going to add 7 drops of grapefruit. Followed by 8 drops of camphor. And give the bag a little swirl if you want, just to help mix those essential oils in. And then you're going to slowly and carefully pour it into the vessel that you've chosen, trying to hold the wick straight. And then you are going to use your wick centering tool to hold the wick upright and in the center of your candle as it dries. It's that easy. I'm going to want to sticker it because I love stickering my creations. And then before use, you'll take off your wick centering tool and you want to cut about 1/4 of an inch. Perfect. You can make this. Let's test it out. What I love about this candle recipe is that it is so easy and I can use it outside to try to keep bugs at bay. Now I love to see your creations, so make sure to take lots of photos tagged from Simply Earth with #IMadeThis. The Simply Earth monthly recipe box makes it so easy to make natural recipes. Go get yours today.